Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove unwanted object from video in Capcut application. Okay, here I have created a project on my Capcut on my phone, and here I have imported my video to this Capcut project. And for example, we're going to remove this phone from this video. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicating this clip. So we can tap on the clip, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option right here. Okay, and now the clip has been duplicated, and we're going to overlay the clip. So we can tap on the overlay button right here. Okay, and I'm going to adjust the position. All right, and we're going to put mask to the layer. So this is the main layer and this is the first layer, and we can tap on this first layer. Then we're going to add mask to this layer. You can scroll all the way to the right again and click on mask. Okay, then you can select the shape of the mask, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Okay, and then we're going to take another part of this video to cover the object. I'm going to take it. Okay, we can adjust the size of the mask, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. You can use both of your fingers to rotate it, and we're going to drag the layer. You can click on the layer, and I'm going to drag it to cover the object like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks, and you can make it as natural as it can be. Okay, now as you can see that the object has been removed, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, and here is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from video in Capcut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.